In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make Instagram story highlight covers the easy way. So if you don't want to use your PC or fancy editing skills, but you want to use and create some nice highlight covers, then this is a video you don't want to miss. Let's get started right away. So all you need to do in order to get highlights like these is go to your Instagram story. Once you're here, you simply want to take a picture or use a picture from your gallery. When you're here, all you need to do is click on the brush tool and then select a color that you want to use for your highlight covers. So let's say that I want to use blue. I then select blue. You then long hold your screen and you'll then get this blue background. Next up, you can add emojis for the highlight cover that you want to create. So let's say that you want to create a highlight cover for your YouTube videos. You then click or find an emoji that is based on that. So I'm going to click on the video icon, or the video emoji I should say. I then make this a little bit bigger. I then click your story. Now once it's then uploaded in my story, I click on highlight, I add new, and I click I give it a title, YouTube videos. And that's pretty much how you can add it the easy way. Now right now you have these cover highlights and they look pretty decent in my opinion, and this is the easy way. If you want an advanced way to do this with actual editing and actually making them look really good and professional, you can click on the video on the card right now or in the link in the description, and then I'll show you how you can do this the more professional way. But this is what I use to do this the easy way. So once again, you upload a story, you then select a color. Let's say that I want a red one. You then add an emoji that's based on the highlight that you want to add. So you can then add this one right there maybe. You zoom in, you click your story, you upload it. It then takes a while. There you go. You then click highlights and then you add whatever that you want to title it. And then as you can see right there, you then have these cool cover highlights. Now like I said, if you want this the more advanced way, then click on the card on the screen right now, and then I'll see you on that video. If not, I hope you enjoyed the video. If it brought you any value, please leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that, and let me know in the comments down below if you're going to use this, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.